All right, quick overview of links in Canvas. This is particularly in a page content type, but should work pretty much the same way in all the Canvas content types. So I'm going to hit edit on this page. I'll be in the what you see is what you get editor. And then I can highlight the words and click on the little chain icon. And let's say I did this. I missed the HTTP. It won't let me do that, so that's good that it kind of helps. But let's just say broken.com. So somehow I messed that up. But I hit done, and there it is. So when I find out that it's not working, I can come back in here, just click on it. It kind of highlights the whole thing automatically. I can click on link options, and then right here, I have the ability to fix it. So I can change it to fix.com, click done, and there we go. So now you can also see when you select it, you still have the same options. Or you could just remove the link and start over. Just highlight it and click on the link again. So those are two different options to fix broken links within Canvas.